We often think of plants as silent, passive, and unaware. But what if that silence is an illusion? Plants, though rooted and without eyes or ears, have evolved extraordinary ways to sense their environment. They can detect the subtle vibrations of an insect chewing on their leaves, a silent scream, inaudible to us, but urgent and real. Imagine a caterpillar inching along a leaf. To us, it's a quiet scene. To the plant, it's an invasion. Each bite sends a unique vibration through the leaf, a signature of danger. The plant listens to these tremors, distinguishing them from the harmless rustle of wind or rain. This awareness triggers a rapid, complex defense perfected over millions of years. For a rooted organism, sensing attack is everything. It's the difference between survival and destruction. Plants are not passive decorations, they are active participants in the drama of life and death. Constantly monitoring their surroundings, they wait and listen for the telltale signs of trouble. The world of plants is far from silent. It's alive with information, if only we know how to look. Their senses are tuned to the world's faintest cues. The next time you walk through a forest, remember, every leaf may be listening. The silent world of plants is anything but empty. It's a world of hidden signals and urgent responses. The drama of survival plays out in every leaf, every moment. The silence of plants is filled with meaning. How do plants hear without ears or brains? They sense vibrations, physical tremors moving through their tissues. Every movement in nature creates vibrations. Wind, rain, and, crucially, the rhythmic chewing of an insect. Plants have evolved to interpret these signals with astonishing precision. Their leaves and stems act as a vast sensory surface, connected from tip to root. A vibration in one leaf travels through the plant, alerting it to disturbance. The plant can distinguish between the random sway of wind and the specific high-frequency tremors of a chewing caterpillar. This ability to filter out background noise and focus on threats is key to survival. Think of a pond. Different ripples reveal different causes. Plants read their own vibrations the same way. The entire plant is a network, always on alert. It's not overwhelmed by constant motion. It's tuned to the one signal that matters most. This mechanical sense is ancient, deeply rooted in life's fabric. Plants are masters of interpreting the world's subtle cues. Their survival depends on it. The world of plants is alive with vibrations, each one a potential message. They are always listening for danger. A caterpillar's bite is more than a meal. It's a broadcast. Each crunch and tear sends a unique vibrational signature through the leaf. Scientists have recorded these patterns, revealing a complex acoustic fingerprint. Plants recognize this signature, distinguishing it from harmless movements. This precision prevents wasted energy on false alarms. Only the specific hostile action of chewing triggers a response. Evolution has honed this sensory system for efficiency. When a caterpillar feeds, it unknowingly alerts the plant to its presence. The plant receives this message as a physical tremor, not a sound. It's an intimate, immediate form of communication. The predator announces itself, the prey listens and prepares. The plant's response is swift and targeted. This is survival, played out in silence. The drama is real, even if we can't hear it. Once a plant detects the vibrations of attack, it launches a chemical counterattack. Its cells ramp up production of defensive compounds, spreading them through its veins. Leaves become bitter or toxic, deterring or even poisoning the insect. Mustard oils, for example, are potent defenses in cabbage family plants. Some plants go further, releasing airborne chemicals that attract predators of their attackers. A plant eaten by caterpillars might summon parasitic wasps, turning the tables on its enemy. This is not just self-defense, it's ecological strategy. Plants can sacrifice part of a leaf to save the whole. Their chemical warfare is sophisticated and effective. Defense is coordinated, rapid, and often deadly for the attacker. Plants are not helpless. They fight back with chemistry. Their survival depends on these hidden battles. The plant world is a battleground, silent but fierce. Plants don't just defend themselves, they warn their neighbors. When attacked, some plants release airborne signals, alerting others nearby. These chemical messages prompt neighbors to prepare their own defenses. It's a preemptive strike, a community on alert. Underground, a network of fungi, the Wood Wide Web, links roots, allowing plants to send chemical warnings below the surface. This hidden network enables rapid, targeted communication. Plants share information, boosting the survival of the group. A forest is not just a collection of individuals, but a cooperative society. Plants work together, sharing warnings and defenses. The plant kingdom is a neighborhood watch, united against threats. Survival is a shared effort. Plant defenses are fast, much faster than we imagine. When a plant senses attack, the alarm is raised almost instantly. Within minutes, genes switch on and defensive chemicals are produced. These compounds travel quickly, fortifying distant leaves in less than an hour. This rapid response can stop an insect before it causes major damage. Plants are always ready, their systems dynamic and responsive. The advantage is clear. A swift defense means survival. Insects that encounter a prepared plant are forced to move on. The evolutionary arms race between plants and insects is intense. Plants have mastered the art of rapid reaction. Their speed is a testament to millions of years of adaptation. In the world of plants, every second counts. These abilities aren't just theory, they're proven by science. At the University of Missouri, researchers showed that Arabidopsis plants respond specifically to the vibrations of chewing. By playing back recorded chewing vibrations, they triggered a surge in defensive chemicals, without any actual damage. Plants exposed to wind or other harmless vibrations showed no response. This proves plants are tuned to the signature of their enemies. The field of plant bioacoustics is revealing a world of vibrational communication. From tomatoes to tobacco, plants are constantly listening. Experiments confirm the silent world of plants is perceptive and reactive. Our understanding has shifted from myth to scientific fact. Plants are far more aware than we ever imagined. Next time you walk among plants, see them anew. They are not passive scenery, but living organisms acutely aware of their world. Rooted, yet never helpless, they sense, respond, and even communicate. Plants make decisions, assess threats, and defend themselves and their communities. They are active participants in the web of life. Their world is one of silent awareness, chemical signals, and hidden networks. The discovery that plants hear danger is a window into life's hidden complexity. Even the simplest organisms can be astonishingly sophisticated. Plants have mastered survival through subtlety and resilience. They listen to the tremors of danger and answer with silent strength. They are the quiet guardians of our planet. The world is not as silent as it seems. We just need to learn how to listen.